You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
All right, stream is up. Stream is up. I don't know what I did. I changed the encoder, but I kept it pretty. I kept the bit rate up a little higher than normal, so it might be choppy, but we'll see. Apologize about that. I was trading, and I thought I had everything up and working, but we'll see. Looks a little cleaner, right? Does it look a little better? I don't even know. It might actually be a little bit better. Dan, good morning, good evening, good morning. So I'm just getting through these rest of these emails here. Oh man. Hey, good morning, everyone. Good evening. I just see that Donald Trump says Elon Musk and entrepreneur Vivek Ramaswamy um, will lead a new Department of Government efficiency. That's going to be a nightmare for people. Imagine these two geeks running around.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free
This
with
is
no
going to be
credit card.
great.
You
Oh,
can try
God.
out
This is
all
going
of
to
our
be a fun
services for
term.
10 days at
Billionaire Elon Musk,
DTR.tv/free.
billionaire
Thanks
Vivek
for listening and have a
Ramaswamy
great day.
will lead a new Department of Government efficiency test to dismantle government bureaucracy, slash excess regulations, cut wasteful expenditures, and restructure federal agencies. Holy crap. He is cleaning house. He is cleaning house. It's going to be a fun one. So marketing here came off. I was sorry before, guys. I was screaming at the computer and I didn't realize I was on. But what I was saying is, and this is my fault too, because this is what I want everyone to be here for. Now, someone mentioned in the room that the divergence triggered, but it was already oversold on the 9.3, and I can tell you why right away. Look at the candlestick here. Look at that candle. It took out the double bottom. Look how high the stochastic rotation was already. It was already at above 60, 64, close to 70. And by the time, once that triggers, it has to wait a candle. And then next candle spiked it up here even higher. So we're pretty much right at the 80 level on that next candle when the trigger came in. So I understand that. Very rarely do we get such a high stochastic divergence, but it happened. It happened with that fast flash. You should have been able to get in it before, visually seeing it. That happened. Actually, it happened here in that small candle. Right when this thing was taking out that candle, you had some upside here. So we had a good setup there. And I was in it. I actually got in that trade. Where did my chart go now? And I thought we were on the air. That sucks. So here was the divergence here. I actually caught it here off of this divergence low right here. You see that higher low? And look at the 14.3. I sent out a Voxer alert here. So the Voxer went out based off of this 14.3 being higher than the 9.3. That low held up pretty good and continues to push up here. We took first profits here earlier, and now I'm kind of just riding this up. Oh, you don't see the screen. I have the wrong screen showing now. Sorry about that. I'm all messed up here. All right, here we go. So here was the divergence. Here you had low, and then you had the lower low. And I think I actually got it in here on this little divergence, but I held on to it because once I saw that second low here, we kind of loaded up here. And again, it was all about this setup. And this is, if you go back to that Voxer alert, it was all about the setup here. It was about the 14.3 being better than the 9.3. When you have that scenario, it's a much steeper divergence on the 14.3. It actually happened right here. This is where it was. It wasn't even here. It was here. It was a much higher divergence there. That's where I grabbed it right there. Right when I saw that turning back up, I said 14.3 is much higher than the 9.3. That's usually good. So got in that. Now we're kind of running back up. I'll keep this. I have a break-even stop on this right now. Just on the break-even. Little. All right, we're up against the 200-period moving average. I think we're gonna have a good night tonight. If I don't get called to rescue someone tonight again. All right. I didn't get any certificates. Alberto, out there, big shout out, new lifetime member to Alberto. I just emailed you back.
You're listening to Day Trading Radio.
Still got about
Sign
30
up completely for free with no credit card.
Thought we'd add a lot of the Day Trading Radio members. He added all the Day Trading Radio members to the script.
Thanks for listening and have a
short
great day.
signal script. You have the short signal script now. So you might want to check your invite section and get working on that. But this was the shit right there. Now that on the ES, this is the NASDAQ. I'm looking at look at the NASDAQ. Do you see the ES had a much higher, well, we're in on the lows, where the, let's see here. Where the NASDAQ actually had the same setup, much higher. These are really key. They're really, really key. Fast little rip down here. No change. A little turn back up. Almost a very hard, area to see there. Very can't even see it, but that was it right there. Compared to the back over here, we had more of a relative divergence, but we saw better on the other one. So the rock bot saw better on this one. And now my chart is gone again. Right now, try refresh, try turning it on and turning it off. And are you getting the scripts through the Patreon or getting it through Day Trading Radio? If you're getting it through Day Trading Radio, you should have it. If you're not, Patreon's getting onboarded tomorrow. He had to leave, and there's about 200 people on the Patreon that have to be onboarded. But he's going to do it in one shot tomorrow morning. So it is there. He should have got everyone back on board. He should have got everyone in. I will paddle him tomorrow. Yeah, sometimes you have to reset it, restart it, because it has to kind of reset or whatever it does. And then it should be up there. And if it's not there in your room and you don't have it, let me know. We can fix that. That's what we're here for tonight. We're here to fix things. I gotta open up a Coke here. I'm not gonna make it. We gotta get another setup here. I want to go for the long ball. I want to go for ES trading tonight. I'm about to get stopped out of my trailing stop here. They know how to find you. They're always gonna find you. All right, back here with you. All right, next thing. I can't enable the strategies. Barry, Patrick.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day. Order filled.
Oh, look at that. Look at that drop. Save buttons. Wow, the market there dropping here. What time is it? 8:42. Never know what's out there. I want to put on some news on the background here, just in case. We'll put some news on here. Some financial juice. I'd like to get my stuff done. I got a whole new TV here that I want to start up. Is there any volume on this? Not 300 shares, 300 contracts. All right, Rhino Chaser, give me a second. I'll take a look for you in just a second here. First, I gotta check to see if he has you in the system. And make sure where the broken link is, you know. See where it's messed up. All right, so what do we got here? Rhino Chaser. Is that your day trade? That's got to be your username, right? Rhino Chaser. Let me see. And you put your stuff in the you put yourself in the Google Forms? Yeah, everyone needs to be in the Google Forums, because if you're not, then anything new I put out, I'm gonna miss you. So let me see if you're in here now. I'm gonna have to just do a Control F, and Rhino Chaser 10. Let me see. So what is your trading view name? Oh, Glenn Paris. I got you. I got you in there yesterday. All right, let me double check here.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
You're on the other one, right? So you must be in the Patreon. But maybe that way put you in the, maybe it has you mixed up here. I don't know why. I had you in there, right? You got the first one. Yeah, I have you in the you put your username in the trading view for Patreon members. All right, let me see why this is. Let me double check. Could you? I have to fix it. If I have to fix this, I'll fix it. I don't know why I'm. Oh, that's Rhino Chaser. You know, everything is all screwed up because of the two names you have. All right, I found you. Now I gotta find where your other thing is. I found you, and now I have to find you. I gotta find you. What do you need? Which one do you need? I'm just gonna put it in there. Which one do you need? What's your which username should I put it under? I can't really find any of them. I'm just gonna put you in. I don't even have it on here. I'm leaving that site.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.